our life has changed dramatically due to the pandemic. Thousands of urban residents has relocated to the smaller cities. Suburban living is becoming a new lifestyle trend, especially for young professionals and their growing families. We're starting to recognize the importance of fresh air, green space, and healthy lifestyles. My name is Victor Yang. Today, I'm so excited to take you on a tour of this breathtaking paradise. Welcome to 13348 McCarvan Road in Whitchurch, Stouffville. Customer built in 1993. This gorgeous Victorian-style home is situated on a 1.24 acre land with frontage of 169 feet. Automatic gate, gorgeous private pond, 5+2 bedroom, 6 washroom, 3 car garage, walkout basement, and a lot more. Through the main entrance, we are greeted with a double-height marble foyer, dressed with a crystal chandelier and the oak staircase leading up to the main living quarters. As we move through the first floor, we enter this spacious great room, about 500 square feet with a fireplace and hardwood floor. You can relax here in the peaceful quiet with the natural outdoors streaming in through the large windows. You will see in this home, there is never shortage of sunshine. But when it comes to natural lighting, nothing beats this family room, which features 180-degree views of the gorgeous backyard. The family room and the great room leading to the gourmet chef kitchen. Here we see the amazing open concept. We have a large industrial range hood with exterior model installation that provides quiet but powerful ventilation. It's equipped with a Wolf cooktop and convection, Miele dishwasher, and a sub-zero refrigerator. From the granite countertops to the large island customized with a wine cooler, a built-in microwave drawer, and a hidden charge station, this kitchen is designed for comfort and accessibility. Beside the breakfast nook, you can venture out to this fantastic all-season veranda, overlooking the beautiful backyard space and providing cover from any weather condition. I've seen a lot of multi-million-dollar homes in my career, but this veranda is truly a unique space and a valuable addition to your everyday living. The kitchen flows to the dining room, where you're accosted with the view of the magnificent natural pond outside. Sometimes you will see the reflection of the trees on the waters, and sometimes you will see the wildlife giving you a visit. Now, to the right of the kitchen, we have this home office, which can also access to all-season veranda. Across the office is second entrance that leads out to a wonderfully designed front patio, another great space to greet your guests or business partners. This area also features a secondary staircase, but more on that later. Let's check out the second floor. Here we have the primary bedroom. With a full ensuite bathroom. Across the hall, we have the second bedroom and connects to a semi-ensuite. Now this third room connects to two wings together, separating the main living quarters from the fourth and fifth bedroom. These large bedrooms come with their own beautiful views. Remember the second staircase I mentioned earlier? If you want to make your guest wing or in-law suite completely private, this staircase will provide private access to their quarters. In place of laundry, you can create a mini kitchenette. Of course, we cannot forget about the finished walkout basement. As you can see, the space has been completely maximized with your own pool table, music room, is plenty of sunlight streaming through, wet bar with an island, a sauna, and a secondary office. Alternatively, these rooms can be also made into extra bedrooms as well. The basement is another exquisite and flexible space for any recreation of your choosing. This beautiful property in Victorian-style is truly a hidden gem. If you want a slice of your own heaven on earth, please do not hesitate to contact Victorian team to schedule a private tour. And always thank you very much for watching, sharing, and subscribing. I will see you in next video.